Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to add your font on Capcut PC. Start by opening the web browser you usually use. In the search bar, type DaFont and hit enter. Click on the link that says DaFont Download Fonts to open the DaFont website. On the DaFont website, you will find various types of fonts. These are some of the top fonts displayed on your screen. Now choose the font you like the most by clicking on it. To download the font, click on the download button. The font file will be saved to your computer. Check your browser's download section. If you can't find it there, open your File Explorer and go to Downloads from the left panel. Select the downloaded font, click on Extract All, and then click Extract. Double-click on the extracted font file. Open the Typeform file and click Install. Once installed, you will see the font on your screen. Launch Capcut on your PC. Add the project where you want to use the downloaded font. After uploading your video, click on Text from the top panel. Tap on the plus button to add text, then write anything for your video. Click on System and scroll down to find the font you recently installed. Adjust the text on your video and feel free to change the color as well. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.